She's just 8 years old and she's so cute. She made this handmade. I'm gonna share her photo right here. And then I got this really nice cozy night suit which I absolutely love. I'm gonna be in this all day. Just loved it. And the best, nice, everybody really liked it. But right now I just wanted to sit here and show you what all I got. Okay, the first thing I got is this very pretty pearl bracelet. It looks so nice, gifted to me by my soul sister. The thing I got is this 2021 calendar from Cover It Up. This is so cool. I want to see what's written on my my birthday month so much. Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a few things I got for Christmas. I am super excited to share. I think earlier I did these Christmas PR unboxing under my tree and we're looking so nice. Lot more stickers. I love them. These are so cute. Also now her monthly feature, they have these activities to do which I'm very excited about. Thank you so much. Absolutely love. May 1 says, what kind of a person would you like to date? Pizza. We like pizza. This is so cute, y'all. Look at these stickers. These are adorable. They have some amazing stuff like it. Okay, next up, let me get stuff. And this one is the lip sleeping mask and I already got this one, so I got 2 now. I'm so happy. Love this product already. Okay, then they have sent me, 1 second, they sent me the Belgian Hotties lights which you know आप ऐसे अपने mirror के पास इसको लगा सकते हो, and I'm gonna do that at home for sure. So these are the lights. The best part is the lights ऐसी हैं and then you can have these stickers to Next up, I have something from one of my most favorite brand, which is Dot & Key, and they sent me these Christmas goodies which I absolutely love. Okay, so they have sent me these 2 new products which is their lip polish exfoliating sugar scrub. Oh, pretty. Thank you so much. And the best thing, popcorn. So just have a nice movie night, watch Christmas movies, have some hot. Okay, next up I got something from Prop Shop. So they sent me this beautiful lavender mug which is so nice. Like, I'm gonna make my hot chocolate today. I'm gonna have in this. This is so nice. Thank you so much. And then we had these, stick them on your mirror. So that is really nice and so helpful. Then I got something very aesthetic. Look at this. I love stationery. I love Prop Shop and this is so pretty. Look at this. So chocolate mix. Oh my god, this is what I needed. I really needed this. They have sent me these this cute mask. Look at this. How adorable is this? And the packaging of the whole hamper was so nice. Thank you so much. Then they have sent me the peppermint chocolate. Now the best thing, look at this. This is so cute, really cute. This is how it looks. This is like a nice beautiful scarf. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Look at this. Absolutely loved it. मैंने इसको अपने बालों में बांधने वाली हूँ and it's going. Okay, now next up I have something that smells really beautiful and which is super healthy to eat. मतलब मेरी फेस्टिव टाइम पे भी ना डाइट का काफ़ी ख्याल रखा गया है. Okay, so looks really nice. Then I got these 2 new cute socks. It says Glow Getter. Yay! Thank you. Ornaments and that is so sweet. अगर आपको कुछ भी gluten free, keto and all good things चाहिए, so they have it. I'm gonna tag it right here so that you guys know it. I know कि yeah. This is Home Baker and I have, let's see what all is there. Enjoy the hamper. It got hot chocolate tubes and a mug to serve in it. Gluten-free double chocolate cookies. A lovely gluten-free, sugar-free, vegan Christmas cake. Personalized founder Anjali Evergreen Fit Foods. So please up check kar lena. So this is the Christmas cake she has sent. Smells so good. So good. I can't wait to eat. This is how I got my hot chocolate. How fancy and how nice and how creative it is. Look at this cute mug. Absolutely love this. Can't wait to have all these things because they're so yummy. I also got these two really. They smell so beautiful and I really want to eat them right after the stories I'm having them. Okay, so I got this from Evergreen Fit Foods. They have vegan, gluten-free, sugar-free, keto. Wow, really nice. Thank you so much. And oh my god, look at this. So cute. And one more. Oh my god, you have to see this, yeah. This says Shiv Shakti. I am going to hang it right now on my tree. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. 29 key ingredients, vitamin, minerals and active heads. So that is really nice. Yeah, it's a very thoughtful gift. Thank you. Then I got some organic honey, and then we have cold pressed coconut oil. You guys know my speaking coconut oil, I absolutely love it. And then we have the type 1 and 3 collagen. This is basically a protein powder kind of a thing, which is for your skin, hair and joints. So good and so impressive. ये तो मुझे start करना ही पड़ेगा. Thank you so much. This was so thoughtful and so nice. You can check out their page to know more. Okay, so I have body butter. Yay. I have a collagen face serum. So collagen is very good for your skin. You know, it tightens up, plumps your skin. Then we have Moist Me face moisturizer, which I have something from this brand called One Life. They've also sent me this Christmas hamper and I'm so happy that you guys send me such adorable things. Thank you so much. They have sent me One Life multi-woman supports. You know, this is actually good. I got something from Bare Body Essentials and जब वो आया था ना तो उसमें ऐसे एक light जल रही थी. Look at this, how Christmassy this looks. I love the packaging. मैं सारे boxes ना संभाल के रखती हूँ. I have so many of them and look at this. So pretty it looks, right? Okay, so they have sent me some really nice wishes. Thank you so much. Bare Goodness and Glow. Okay, let's see what all is there. Oh my god, look at the light. Saying winters mein mere lips काफी dry हो जाते हैं, so this is going to help me a lot. And that's all. Thank you so much. I loved everything and I'm so excited. I feel so grateful. Merry Christmas to all of you and all the winners. You'll be getting your giveaways super soon. मैं उसे आज या कल में सब forward कर दूँगी, so you guys will get it. Thank you so much for taking part and we'll be doing it more next year too. So yes, super excited. Guys, I forgot to show. I also got this from Prop Shop. So cute.